So you want to make a cup of British tea. Well, this is the easiest and best way, in my opinion, to do it. Start by boiling some water. I use an electric kettle, but you might want to use a hob. Once the water's boiled, pour it into a cup. Then you want to add your medium strength tea bag or breakfast tea and allow it to sit. Don't stir, just allow it to sit and brew for at least 3 minutes. Now you can remove the tea bag and be careful again not to disturb it too much. Just let it drip away. At this point, you might want to add sugar. I don't take sugar in my tea, so I won't be adding any. Give it a good stir. And now it's time to add your milk. I use semi-skimmed milk, but it's up to you what milk you use. And again, stir. One cup of British tea.